Right now at 5, there is new information in a case that we have been following closely in Prince George's County.
Yeah, Kaden Holland, also known as Baby K, pled guilty today for an attempted murder on a school bus. Our Scott Broom was at that hearing today, and Scott, we know this was a plea deal, so what's the sentence?
Well, it's an important case because of what it revealed about the juvenile system and because Baby K was eventually adjudicated as an adult. That meant his defense attorney very quickly came to this plea deal. Here it is, a 60-year adult sentence for a 16-year-old kid for attempted murder and a handgun charge, all but 25 years suspended, so effectively a 25-year sentence. And the provision that the boy start his sentence at the Patuxent Institution here in Maryland, which has a violent young offender adult program where he presumably will get some kind of counseling and treatment. Baby K, a now 16-year-old aspiring rapper notorious for leading a gang assault on a school bus in Oxon Hill May 1st of last year, where he tried and failed to assassinate a 14-year-old because Baby K's gun jammed repeatedly. Baby K, known as Kaden Holland, also charged in D.C. with killing the sister of one of his accomplices, though if he serves his time in Maryland, he'll come out as an adult and not be eligible for a juvenile trial in a district. Because the media fought and won access to normally secret juvenile proceedings, we learned that Baby K was previously on juvenile probation for carrying a gun, but failed to comply with any of it, and yet still was released from probation by the state's juvenile system with no consequences. Here's State's Attorney Aisha Braveboy.
He did not complete the treatment plan provided by the court, and that his decision not to complete that program did not extend the term of his probation, and that was wrong. This is a cautionary tale. There are so many kids, there's so many Mr. Hollands out there. I'm concerned about their safety, and I'm concerned about the safety of our community. Throughout his life is that there were a series of failures.
Also today, reactions from Martin Diggs, the union representative for the terrorized bus driver in the case.
I want to actually thank Miss Natalie Brower and her aide. Because of their heroism, they probably wouldn't be here as of today. Based upon what happened today, I hope that they're happy with the decision that is made. But what I want to still bring attention to is that we still have safety concerns that we've actually provided to the superintendent about what they can do in the school system, not just on the buses, but also in the buildings. Mr. Diggs alluding there to the great anxiety a lot of teachers and other students feel about the juveniles that are out right now, apparently unaccountable as revealed by this case, and the impacts on public safety. If this deal is ultimately approved, Kaden Holland will likely do a portion of the 25 years that were not suspended because he will be eligible for parole within the adult system. He'll get some kind of added counseling and treatment at the Patuxent Institution, we are told, and everybody is gambling that, of course, he will eventually come out rehabilitated after the failures of the juvenile justice system that were revealed in his case once he was adjudicated as adults, where we could all see in court exactly some of the failings of the system here. Reporting live outside the courthouse in Prince George's County in Upper Marlboro, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
Yeah, like Aisha Braveboy said, there were so many failures.
And that chilling video sticks with you from the bus.
Yeah, and think of that kid on the bus. You have to wonder how he's doing right now as well after that traumatic experience. All right, Scott, thank you.